Oops.
Hi.
Alright, me and my sister today we're going to play a bit of...
Creative.
Yep, she's going to be the one that's going to open to LAN. Let's be creative. I'm going to call it...
If I record, can it still go onto YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, never mind. Okay.
I'll also be recording on my channel. For myself, on my channel, visit Mox, H-Dog.
H-Dog Mox. Okay,
Better than this girl. Alright, what should we call it?
Creative. Just, I don't know, call it anything. Creative. There, done.
Creative. Okay, I don't know if I spelled that right, but...
Okay.
See? Cheats on... Alright, we'll see how the word is, and then I'm going to go to my computer, and I'm going to open to you, so my sister's going to open to LAN. Okay. Oh, it's a nice flat land, actually.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice place to actually start building.
There's a quick build, just to let you all know. Okay, Max.
It's not a quick build.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
No, we're doing the creative.
Oh, sorry. Creative. Quick builds on another day.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Go.
Not day for quick build. Wait, sorry guys. Open to LAN. Creative. Actually, cheats on, so I can change the day from night to day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Start LAN. All right. See you on my side of the recording. Bye.
Okay, shut the door. Okay, hi. Okay, so. Woo! Tree. Oh, jeez. I've never been recording before. This is my first one. Hi. Okay, so we're going to be doing a thingy. We didn't actually give you much time to comment on the other one. Literally 30 seconds. It's not actually downloaded yet, so. Okay, whatever. Okay, so. No, not quick build. Sorry. Okay. Okay, sorry. I get distracted. Okay, so we're going to build a castle. No. A modern village. A modern mansion house. Better one. Okay, has Max came yet? Okay. Maxie. Where are you? Somewhere else. Okay, so I'm just gonna start flattening out land. Oh god, it's loud. I'm just gonna start flattening out land. I know it must be boring just watching me flat out land, but you gotta do it! Actually, not much land, so it's fine. And I will talk to you about all the things we have done. Yes. Dee-dee-da-do. Dee-dee-da-do. Oh, Max has joined the land. Sorry. Okay, so this will probably be, this is with me, obviously, because I'm here, and my brother is also having a video, so because we're not so techno, and we know how to swap cameras, and we don't have FaceTime. Wow, 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 wow. Why are you not to leave the game? Whatever, okay, okay. So yeah, okay. So we're going to be building a lovely, beautiful modern village. No, modern house, okay? God, this is boring. Oh, where's Max? Head dog, where are you? Head dog. Okay, grass block. Now, if you people are new to Minecraft and you do not know some of the game modes / helpy thingies, I will tell you how to do it. Just a mini tutorial. Yeah, I guess. And if you have any, like, oh my gosh, you have to show that, just do in the comment section. Yeah. And if you want me to play any games, it's funny he's playing. If you want me to play any games, just tell me, because I listen to. God, sorry. Okay, so. Okay, modern village. I'll read out the text that Max writes, because he never reads out mine! Sorry, I'm just got a bit rangy. Don't worry about me, I'm fine. Okay, modern mansion. Oh yeah, what's it gonna do with that? Oh yeah. Okay. 1485. Max 1485. You do that. I'm going to make a 10 by 10. 10 by 10. What? See, look how fast I'm at typing at him. Well, not with numbers really, but typing I'm so much faster. Because I'm a genius. Okay. Modern house. Modern house? 10 by 10? That is small house, y'all. God. I always go for the ambitious builds. So does Max, but he's a bit... never finishes it, I have to say. He did finish his castle. And if you want us to show you if you want me to show you the castle, why didn't you just ask, darling? I know I have to start somewhere. Okay. Well, you start in the mountain. So, look at that. How's that a mansion? I'm gonna extend it. Can we beat up quartz? Black old quartz? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not skipping it. What are you doing? Expanding the housing. Okay, I'm not really... I don't skip to things because... oh, jeez. Because... because I like watching other people build, watching them suffer. It does get boring, but I mean, if you want to make a house like this, oh yeah, then you can't just skip because then they'll have no idea what you're doing. So yeah, go outside, go outside, go outside. I know you did. Okay, I like this to be symmetrical. Let's check. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. I'm cleaning the dirt because it's so dirty. Okay, so I guess this can be a part of the modern mansion. It is, though. It is. It is part of the modern mansion. I mean, because look, now he's broken it. It is a start. Then I'm going to go this way, so it's not a rectangle, really. And I'm going to fill in you. Ooh, what's down here? Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's scary, scary, scary. Let's go. Hello, Angelo. It's Angelo. It's Angelo! Sorry. Okay. Look how pretty it is now. Okay, so now I'm going to expand it this ways and no which ways. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's just so beautiful. That sounded weird. Okay, anyways. Would you say that's the same size? No. No, it won't. Because it's not. I'm going to see Cloudy the Chance of Meatballs too today. Yes. Beat that. I'm so sorry to beat that. Some of you probably have watched this before me. But don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay. We have been doing lots of videos. They just have, for some reason, okay, they haven't actually, oh no, my mouse keyboard's got lost. Well, anyways, it doesn't matter. I'd have to wait for it to come back. Stop it loud. Okay, well, anyway, I'm going to say what we're going to do. I think this here is a balcony, but I can't move it. And look at that pumpkin. Aww. Aww. Ah! Okay. Max. Mouse. No working. Connection lost. I don't want to keep you running around here because sometimes it takes 2 seconds to load back, or sometimes it takes 10,000 years. Yes, I'm 10,000 years old. Perfect. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so here's first my tutorial. So you do a /, then you go time, set, 0. Oh my gosh. The day has risen. You probably already know it, like, stupid lady. I already know that. I'm a big girl. This isn't symmetrical. So you're probably like, she's so stupid. But I'm sorry. So sorry. I'm pretty sure I did it the right way. Max. Oh, no, it's fine. Okay. I guess I can. Why? See, he doesn't notice anything. Like if I set 5 to the floor, he won't notice it was me. He wouldn't suspect the thing. Okay, I'm gonna expand this because it looks weird without the balcony piece there. Actually, I'll let Max to do that. I'm not so smart. Mansion outline complete. I mean, because you can say that's a pretty nice mansion. I mean, oh my god. Oh my gosh! It's so annoying because I've got a Mac mouse and it just automatically changes. I mean, it automatically just. God, it's so annoying. I'm on a Mac computer. Okay? Because I hate laptops. Village I see. Where? 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 Oh my god. Where? Blindy. I'm only joking. Oh, here. Where? Oh, yeah. Okay. Ooh, Hee. Don't be silent. Oh, it's small. Fire? Mike doesn't reply. I'm gonna set it on fire. Actually, no, I don't want to do it on fire. Don't go on fire. Don't go on fire. What is he? It's so annoying because he doesn't have a blacksmith. I like stealing. What? Oh, he's back there. He left me at the village. Oh, that's me, isn't it? Okay, delete this part. It seems I'm blind. Not the wicked person with glasses. Stop. Is that symmetrical? Because if it isn't. No, it's good. Yes, it is. What are you doing this for? Why are you. Actually, no, it's fine. I guess it can be a wall, like. How many floors? Let's go 2 or 3. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording soon. And when I come back, oh yeah, all the boring stuff will be done, like all those floors. I knew I should have finished all. You sneeze every once a day, I think. It's a fact. You always get a fact from me. Okay, I'm going to stop. 1 floor? No. 2 floor. Okay, that's enough for today. Okay, Okay, internet boy today. I think this is how you stop the recording. Okay. Bye.